In this video, I'll show you how to send Solana from Bitget to Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Phantom Wallet. Once you're in your Phantom Wallet, you're going to go right over here and tap on Receive. Now we'll look for our Solana address and tap on it. And this is your Solana deposit address. We're going to go right over here to the 2 squares and copy it. Now open up and log into your Bitget account. If you don't already have a Bitget account, I'll drop a link down below in the description. I'll also get you some cool welcome bonuses. Once you're logged in, you're going to go down here to the bottom right hand corner and tap on Assets. Now we're going to go over here to the spot account. Once you're in your spot account, we're going to go right over here to withdraw. And right over here in the search bar, we're just going to search for Solana. Tap on it. We're going to tap on on-chain withdrawal. Right here under withdrawal address, this is where we're going to paste in our Phantom Wallet address. It automatically selected the network for us, but if it didn't, we're just going to tap on the arrow here and select Solana. The minimum withdrawal amount is 0.1 Solana, and here the network fee for the transfer is 0.006 SOL, which is nothing. Even if we increase the amount of Solana we want to withdraw, the fee stays the same. Once you've confirmed all the information is correct, you're just going to tap on withdraw, confirm the transaction on the next page, and that's how to transfer Solana from Bitget to your Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.